Well, let's just say that I want to do a carry gun, but I also want to get into some basic competition. What would I do?
Oh, let me show you a few examples and we'll talk about it. This is my own personal gun, and it goes back to almost 30 years. And I designed it to carry when I was in law enforcement and also to shoot Southwest Combat Pistol League. So it has a dual purpose, just like you said. We'll say it's kind of a crossover, if you will.
Yeah.
All right? What it is, adjustable sights. It also has a sight track, which lines up the front for quick combat shooting. Now, also on the sight, let me show you this, okay? And that is, the sight is trimmed on the sides for fast target acquisition from shooting from left to right. Then, getting back to the safety of the thing and the comfort of it, and that is a Beavertail, all right? This will not pinch my hand. Also, I have right back here, this is fully checkered. Secondly, here, it has a different shape.
It's more like a triangle almost.
Yeah, why that? Okay, you notice in the palm of your hand is hollow. This fits in there, and it will not allow the gun to move from left to right. Then when you draw the gun, it's self-indexing. It is good for competition, and it's good for carry protection. Let me show you a few other designs that make this a key thing. Now, we talked about Magwell. Let me show you the king size of Magwell without adding any extension to the butt of the gun. All right, let me show you. Look at the opening, okay? It's wide. In case of extreme competition or fear of something of this nature, you can have the gun in your hand, reach over and grab the magazine and slam it in, all right? The next thing, that's here. Look at that muzzle. It is greatly blended in, all right? Check this out. See that? And also the muzzle of the barrel is recessed into the bushing. Why? In case you're carrying a open front holster or a Yaki slide, what happened is when you sit down on a park bench or you lean up against something and hit the barrel, particularly the crown of the barrel, that will affect the accuracy. Now that we're getting into the accuracy of things, let's talk about a few things that make this gun competition accurate. One, the muzzle. The bushing on here is a very good fit. It's a custom fit, and we show you how to do that. The next thing is the barrel. The heart of the gun, if its accuracy and part of the reliability package, is the quality of the barrel. I use damn good barrels. What I like a square trigger guard, and I have a reasonably short trigger. Now, in the wintertime, I can have a glove, and I can still shoot this gun very safely with the safety off. The next here is we have some checkering. It's like on the back. I want a firm grip on the gun. That is both for competition and also for self-defense. There's another little item here. You very rarely see it. Let me show it to you. Sticking it upside down. This is a mag release. All right. And it's a short one. I like a short one in my carry gun. The reason why, I don't accidentally bump it because I'm moving around a lot. Same way in competition. Again, it's a crossover gun. So what I do is I chamfer that hole. Okay, so with a glove on, I can go down way past that. Now, I'm going to turn the gun around and show you how far this can be indexed. Now, watch this. All right? Look how far out that goes. That will drop any magazine under any kind of a condition. The other option that I do on a crossover gun is balancing the springs. Number one.
What's that?
Yeah, okay. Number one is a recoil spring. For competition, I may use a less powerful ammo. And for a self-defense or a carry gun, I want to shoot maybe plus P. So I have to balance that spring out, which all that means a little bit heavier spring for heavier ammo, lighter spring for lighter ammo. Simple. Now, the next thing is the mainspring back here. That is how much force that the hammer has when it hits the firing pin. And that's where our trigger job comes in.
Do you want to learn the complete design, function, and repair of all different types of firearms and become a certified professional gunsmith? If so, go to www.americangunsmithinginstitute.com and request a complete information package.